The KINESIS Freestyle2 is an exceptional ergonomic keyboard that offers a unique and customizable typing experience. With its award-winning split design, you can adjust the key modules up to 9 inches apart, allowing you to find the perfect hand, wrist, and forearm positions for your body type and preferences. This feature alone sets it apart from traditional fixed ergonomic keyboards. One of the standout features is the VIP 3 tinting accessory, which comes pre-installed on the keyboard. This accessory provides 3 different tinting angles, 5, 10, or 15 degrees, giving you the option to find the most comfortable and natural typing posture. The integrated cushioned palm supports further enhance comfort by keeping your forearms neutral and supporting your wrists. Designed specifically for PC users, the Freestyle2 features a standard Windows layout, ensuring you have easy access to essential hotkeys like cut, copy, and paste, as well as multimedia controls. The embedded numeric 10 keypad is a bonus, boosting your productivity and making data entry a breeze. What I really appreciate about this keyboard is its low-force key switches. These custom membrane switches require less activation force, providing a tactile feedback that reduces finger fatigue and strain. Typing on the Freestyle2 feels effortless and comfortable, making it an ideal choice for long writing sessions or data entry tasks. Setting up the KINESIS Freestyle2 is a breeze. Simply plug it in via USB-A, and you're ready to go. No additional software or drivers are needed, making it a plug-and-play solution. Additionally, the keyboard comes with adhesive cushioned palm pads and a detachable pivot tether, offering further customization and comfort options. In terms of build quality, the KINESIS Freestyle2 is top-notch. The keycaps are durable and have a nice texture, ensuring a comfortable typing experience. The overall construction feels solid and well-made, giving you peace of mind that your investment will last. Whether you're a professional writer, a data entry specialist, or someone who spends a lot of time at their desk, the KINESIS Freestyle2 is an excellent choice. Its ergonomic design, customizable features, and low-force key switches make it a keyboard that prioritizes both comfort and productivity. If you're looking for the best ergonomic keyboard to reduce strain and enhance your typing experience, the KINESIS Freestyle2 is an outstanding option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.